Welcome back to the Toronto-Sarnia Season 5. In today's video, there is a new engine assignment on VA85 this afternoon. 6441. So I'm here catching 85 this afternoon. Yeah. So yep, new engine assignment 6441. Bell. Crossings are not set off yet. Rumble. Okay, there goes the Cambria Street crossing, but the other crossings aren't off yet. Here we go. New assignment is 6441. Obviously, since it's a quiet zone, they're not blowing their horn. And today's 85. So, yep. We'll see you now for 87, which should have 6415. You'll see that in the description. Welcome back to the Toronto-Sarnia Season 5. VA7's coming in, beating 568, which I had to miss 568 today because, 560 because it was raining outside. Not nice weather is gonna be here as it transitions from winter to spring. Still brighter. You guys are still getting on the bright side of me. It's just cloudy for me, but this you guys get another horn show! Horn show in the yard again! That is the second straight day that 87's done a horn show in the yard. That is just odd. Another horn show in the yard. This time they're coming in faster. Back up a little bit so that they don't blow me over. The wind's trying to do. Here comes A7, 6415.
Thank you. Votre attention s'il vous plaît. Dernier appel pour l'embarquement du train via numéro 87 à destination de Sarnia, qui s'arrêtera à St. Mary's, London, Stratford, Wyoming, sur la voie numéro 1.
6415. That 1 hour CN and 3 bud coaches. Steps up. Oh, 568's got a speed.
All crew on via 87, okay for doors on the right hand side.
87's got. Oh, we're fast. Just finishing up the boarding. They'll be ready to go. 568's gone. So clear. Signal. Get another one. There we go. We're closing the doors. Wonder why they didn't call out that they're closing security. Okay.
Yeah, did you give me the doors over? Yep, I got the doors. We're just waiting for the time over.
Waiting for the time?
I think we're good to go. I think we were good to go at 55.
There's 9675's horn. Automatic activate. It automatically activated, but the location's still wet. So we will be in vacation as they come back. Once the gate goes up again. The gate literally, the crossing set off as they were still doing vacation, and then it's actually happened before on 16305. Thank y'all for watching the video. Please subscribe.